Oh my God, what is this? A bomb? I won't let people die. I'll save everyone from this blast.
We'll detonate the bomb and kill everyone on this bus. No one will survive the blast. Now the bomb has been planted on the bus. No one will survive the blast.
You two are terrorists. You take innocent lives. I won't let you get away with this. You take innocent lives! Won't let you! Bus stop! Bus stoop! Bus stoop! This is the only way to stop the bus. There's no other way for me to save their lives.
Thank you for saving all our lives from that blast.
No, saving your lives is my duty.